Assalamualaikum. Hi kids, back to Al-Quran session. Let's learn how to write the word ular. Alif, waw, lam, ra. Ular. Next, let's write the connected words together. Good job, kids. Try to practice again at your home with your mommy and daddy. See you again. Bye.